Hi, it's Edie. April showers. Shower the people you love with love. And right now I'm feeling a lot of love, and I'm sure all of us are, for the Ukrainians. And I thought all month long I would create some really special Ukrainian dishes from this very famous chef, Klopotenko, Chef Klopotenko. I learned about him on YouTube and I've been studying his recipes. So we're gonna do a few of them and they're really, really good. I thought we'd start off with his breakfast recipe. And it's so easy. You just mash a banana. You can use a masher or a fork, and you add 3 tablespoons of oats. Now, some bananas are bigger than others. So it might take a few more oats or a few less, but it's pretty close. He doesn't really give the recipe exactly. I am using dried apricots. You can also use dates. By the way, this is one of my favorite types of oats. It's sprouted and organic and non-GMO. And then if you're gonna use apricots or dates, just make sure there's no added anything. It's just your organic apricots. You chop that really fine. And then lastly, I'm gonna stir this in to see how it's going. That is a good consistency. And we could actually add more oats, I think. Yeah, because it's a little runny. So I'm just gonna add a few more oats. You can just kind of eyeball it. And then I'm gonna add these walnuts. So this is gonna make 3 big cookies. Now what you do is you cook them, bake them at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. The cookies are ready. And the way I can tell is they're golden brown. And one thing I like to do that I learned about cookies, if you leave them on the hot pan, then it'll get soft and chewy. But if you take it out and let it aerate, it'll get more crispy. And I want these to be crispy. I wanna tell you a little bit more about Chef Klopotenko. Right now, he is underground in shelters feeding people. My heart is just, I just have so much love and care for these people, and I'm just wishing them all well. Please, let's all pour love from our heart for the chef and all the Ukrainians. In the meantime, I made these bigger cookies, and we must taste it. I'll taste the little one first. I think they're gonna taste exactly the same. Delicious. They are soft, but I want to tell you something. Really good. And dates would be good too. And I used walnuts, but you could use any nut. But you know what I would do? Is make a triple batch and freeze them. It's so easy. And then just in the morning when you feel like eating a good cookie, just take it out. It'll defrost pretty quickly and eat it while you're on your way. Wishing all of you good health. Sending lots of love for April showers. Love the people you love with love. And I'll see you soon.